Congratulations on your purchase of the brand new TEMPTU Airpod Pro XL. Yes, that's right. TEMPTU has added to the Airpod Pro family. So originally created for a custom blended facial airbrush makeup application, now TEMPTU has created the ability to do the same for the body without having to continuously refill the smaller cup. Amazing. While you're unboxing, I'd like to talk about a few key points. First and foremost, it was created for use with the TEMPTU Air, but if you are using one of our traditional airbrush compressors, all you have to do is attach our AirPod converter and the XL will click right in for a larger surface area application. Nobody gets left out. Now, let's talk a little bit about the technical specs. The needle and nozzle combo, the same. 0.5 millimeters. So there's no difference in the precision of the application. Next, I'd like to talk about the obvious difference, which is the size of the mixing cup. The mixing cup can accommodate up to 20 milliliters of fluid. So why is that so important, you might ask? Well, let's say you want to use the Infinite Summer Sunless Tanning Solution for the body and not just for the face. It'd be nice if you didn't have to continuously refill. So that's where the larger cup comes in handy. It's also amazing for a full body airbrush makeup application. That means you can shimmer somebody with our bronzer from head to toe without having to refill the mixing cup. Now let's talk about that for a second, because one thing that you should know is the lid on the new mixing cup is new and improved. So notice the seal. Once that is tightly attached, you don't have to worry about any leakage when you have to turn it different angles to complete a very thorough application.